We are all passengers of Cebu Pacific. We are all passengers of the Church of God. We are all Christians. We are all, labi na itong Muslims po, yung mga lumad. We are all passengers going back to heaven.
So again, this Misamis Oriental Tourism Complex and Botanical Garden is a place of remembrance. It's a place of love. It's a place of hope. Daghang salamat kay Gov Bambi and your team for this beautiful testament of love and hope. As always, full support to sa tanan, and like I said, grabe kayong legacy projects, and I saw how you grew up, and we're very, very proud of what you have become and how you have been a very good father to Misamis Oriental. So
economic activity will certainly bring money to our people. And when money is earned by our people, then it will create development for Misamis Oriental together with Laveria and Himoog City. The essence of tourism, that not only it will make you popular, rather the place popular, but it will be able to feed our people. That's the beauty of tourism.